Mitch.
And I'm Mia.
Welcome to CGEN TV episode 15.
We're at Queensland Ballet doing a featured artist workshop.
CGEN's been the most amazing experience for me in my journey through my career. Performing in front of that many people at such a young age, being a featured artist, was like heart-stopping. And as a dancer with Queensland Ballet and now working in the community engagement team, just having that experience at such a young age of performing in such a huge audience was priceless, and I'm so thrilled to be taking the CGEN students through Queensland Ballet today and showing them how important the arts are for our community.
Hi, I'm Jess.
Hi, I'm Charlotte, and we are both CGEN featured dancers.
My favourite aspect of CGEN is the different variety of dances that we get to do. So to do tap, jazz, hip hop, lyrical.
And the different people that we meet as well, because we're all around from Queensland. It's just like insane to see everyone all like
Same place
and doing the same stuff and like uniting together.
Yeah.
I'm doing CGEN for like the social aspect, like all my friends and stuff do it, and just the choreography and stuff. It's so good, and also practicing performing in front of so many people. It's just really, really fun, and it's just a great experience overall.
Yeah, I'm doing it for the social aspect too, and it's like good for like your future, like dancing with other choreographers. It's just a good experience and meeting new people.
My favourite dance move is probably like right tilt or something.
Go to show. Oh, okay. Like, I don't know.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching CGEN TV episode 15. Tune in next week for the next video.